How to block all ads in Android. Hello, everybody. If you guys would like to block all the advertisements on your Android device, you may follow up these steps. So, there are different solutions available for that. One of them is using a private DNS. For that, access the device's settings, and then from there, go over the connections. And from connections, look out for the option called More Connection Settings and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, we have this option of private DNS. Tap on it and you can basically select the option of private DNS, provide a host name, and there type in host name and there type in dns.adguard.com and tap on save, and that should go ahead and kind of block ads that will be available on your Android device. Apart from that, you can also block ads in your browser, so you can basically go ahead and use browser based ad blocking. So we have this browsers such as Firefox or Brave available. You can basically head over and download these private browsers. These browsers do not have any kind of ads, so even if you access any kind of browsing website or anything that includes ad, you will not be having any kind of ads in those kind of um, applications. And that's it. Apart from that, you can install ad blockers as well. Head over the device's app store, go to the search, and search for ad blockers such as AdGuard, something like that. And there are other options as well. Look out for those kind of ad guarding, ad blocking applications that will basically block ads within apps and browser. And that's it. So therefore, these are some of the solutions you can follow up in order to block all the ads in your Android device. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.